Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to install the IDE that we are going to be using, which is Visual Studio Community, and also set up our first project. Now, you may ask, what is an IDE? So, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and as the name suggests, it is a software application that provides certain tools to developers which they can use to create hardware, software, and games. So let's start installing Visual Studio Community. To do so, you can go to visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads. Link is in the description. Now you can see that you have two options, Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. For the purpose of this course, we will be going with Visual Studio Community because it is open source and it perfectly fits our requirements. So to install VS Code, just click on this free download button and this window will pop up. And your download should start in a few seconds. If it doesn't, then click here to try again. Now we have the installer and we are just gonna double click it to open it up. Now it will ask us for permission. So just click on continue, then just wait for it to download. Once that is done, you are going to see a window like this. For the purpose of this course, you can check ASP.NET, web development, and also .NET desktop development. Other than these, you can scroll down and check game development with Unity if you are interested in game development and you would like to explore that. So once you have all the desired packages, just click on install. Now this will take a little bit of time to install and download. Once that's completed, it will ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. You can do that or you can just click on maybe later. Now it will ask you what theme you want to use. I prefer using the dark theme as it puts less strain on your eyes and also because it just looks better. It's completely your choice. Now you have an IDE to work with. Then you can just open up Visual Studio and you will see a window like this. Now let's set up our first project. To do so, click on Create New Project. Then Visual Studio will ask you which template you want to use. So we will use Console App C Sharp and click on Next. Now you have to name your project. I will go with something like My First Program. Then you can also choose the location you want to save your project to. Once that's done, click on Create and you have your first project opened up. Congratulations! Now we will just starting writing code from the next video. So see you there. Bye.